hayi mina bra ayikho engizoyithetha kakhulu yabo ngifuna ukuthi zonke igame esizidlalayo siyazwina especially ezingena lapha hayi uphuma ukhala lapha igame negame mawungena lapho uphuma ukhala kusho ukuthi manje ngoku kumele sithathe ileague sithathe netbank then no bangasi relegate next season danke.
I will give it to Kehleni Makaula today. Yeah, he really marshaled that midfield. You see, Marumo didn't even try to dominate that much because of Kehleni Makaula. Yeah, he was the man.
What about Tito Pagania? Tito also had a beautiful game.
Yeah, Tito first half played very well. I don't know why they substitute him early, but yeah, today he did have a good game. But the man of the match, I'll still give it to Makaula.
All right, Pagania, and then Wednesday we have my Mamelodi Sundowns. How do you approach this game?
You see now with Orlando Pirates, everyone it's a player that play linyane lizmisele ukuthi lifuna ukudlala. So masodlala ne-Sundowns yeah, dala bahlukumeza labantu manje is payback time. Sizohlangana FNB sizobakhombisa.
Score prediction?
Simple 2-0.
Influencer Pagania.
Fresh. First off and foremost, Kazini, happy Valentine's, your mama, and from Newtown branch, you are happy people always.
Happy people. Another beautiful display by the team, Kans. How do you see today's game?
Kazini, I think now it's becoming an interview of happiness every day. I say more than we are happy. And each display that's been being displayed now with this team is superb, guys. This is a Premier League display. England display. You go to what you call England, Spain, wherever. This is good football.
Yeah.
Good football.
Good football. Let's talk about Rele Kansen Fit. Wow, Fit.
No, that boy is playing his own league. Understand? That are useless. Every pass means everything. Yeah. If it wasn't for him, guys, I don't know. Mara the goals. Yeah, I'm happy with the 3 points, 3 goals, but we're going to get more goals. That boy is superb.
Yeah.
Star really.
And then on Wednesday we have Mamelodi Sundowns. See approach kanjani le game.
You see the strategy just pure Mukochi. As for Makaula, as the midfield here, to defend, it's defensive midfield, but that's a very protective midfield. That's why we're having a clean sheets like this. So I think approaching it came here Sundowns, we need a more defensive but yet attacking. The same people that you used today to start the first half are the very same people that we need. We have to kill this game in the first half and then execute it in the second.
Yeah. There you have it, Mapagania, that's Kans Popa.
Yeah, I will talk to you.
Yeah.
Ukhuluma namarungani skom.
Yeah.
Pirates bakutlanya upe. Bakutlanya upe Pirates. Wabona le league le.
Yeah.
We are a arena.
Yeah.
You don't have to ask which arena. Yeah. There is no arena in South Africa without Orlando Arena.
Yes. Today's game Pagania we wona kanjani?
Le game must finish 7-0. Afele ba bese noto mara ba 12 swa.
Yes.
Laba taku Tuesday la. Elata ba kompeta taku. What is a soccer? They don't know soccer. Wednesday yane. Ela laba la arena la. Ela ku taba kompeta taku ri Pirates endline. Pirates ba kutlanya upe ngwana mani laba mbange I mixana sulu hinkwaso hambi mixana Spirit 99 nge bikutla Pirates. Pirates is number 1.
Pirates is number 1. Give me a man of the match Pagania.
About the man of the match ane Siema. Number 1.
Beautiful. Thank you Pagania. Wapha.
Manibulisa kuqala wonke umuntu nje obukele. Hey. Uyabona iPirates asiyazi into esenza yona. Sonwabe kakhulu asayazi. Uyabona xa sobukela iPirates. Sizojonga uba sizowina ngabani iscore kuphela. Asizi sizojonga uba khona into engenzeka sijonga nje iscore. And into endiyibona ibizoswinisa ileague kule season. I-defense yethu solid kakhulu. Andiyazi sigqibeleni no concede goal eligini. Bangazama ukukhumbula because igoal esiconcede lebe kusekhapini. Emva kwayo andikhumbula. So yinto ezosenza into yoba siwin ileague. Usiyema njengoba bebethetha ngayo abantu udlala kakhulu uzimisela umfana. Ndibonile osesane bayebuya. Ucaptain uBhodlela uzimisele kakhulu Ondaba bonke oFan Rooyen. Midfield yethu inhle kakhulu uCash ubuyile xa besilinyalelwe nguNduli wabuya uCash wangena wafitha kakuhle siqhuba kakuhle oMaswangayi oMbule onamntajela kuhle nje kakhulu andiyazi uba ndingathini Pirates qha ngoku into efuneka isenzele yona kumele sithathe 3 points ngolesithathu sithathe 3 points nge-28 yinto efunekayo then xa sisuka apho sesiyazihambela kuphela kusekho umuntu ozoba sasibamba.
Hayi, great analysis member.
molweni nonke. Hayi mina ndizothetha kakhulu nge-individual brilliance yeBuccaneer. Thetha ngeBuccaneer as a team. Nonke kwi-PSL League ijongene noGoliath. Indoda mayivele ize ngaphambili uGoliath umile ulinde indoda. And he's very dangerous, he's powerful. Izani one by one. Indoda ezayo kumele ithandaze, kumele ifaste, kumele ichathe, kumele izenze zonke for ukuthi izazi ukuthi ibhekene nendoda enkulu. Goliath umile ngaphambili, izani nonke one by one. Enye emva kwenye. Bopha Buccaneer.
Buccaneer bopha.